In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up overtime rules in Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on People. This is where you can view and manage your team members, including their pay and employment details. From the People section, select the employee whose overtime eligibility you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct employee before making any changes, since these settings affect how their compensation is categorized and handled in payroll. After opening that employee's profile, go to the Pay section. This area contains the employee's compensation setup, including the details that determine how their wages are tracked. Inside the Pay section, find the Compensation area and click Edit to begin making changes. At this point, you'll need to choose the appropriate employee type based on the employee's overtime eligibility. This is an important part of the setup because the employee type helps define whether the employee should be treated according to overtime rules. Be sure to select the option that matches the employee's classification in your payroll setup. Next, update the employee's wage frequency, wage amount, and default hours if needed. These fields should reflect the employee's current pay arrangement. For example, the wage frequency should match how often the employee is paid, the wage amount should reflect their correct rate or salary, and default hours should align with their standard expected schedule if applicable. If everything is already correct, you can simply leave those details as they are. Once you've made any necessary updates, take a moment to review the compensation details carefully. This quick review helps you confirm that the employee type, wage settings, and hours are all accurate before you save. It's a good habit to double-check this information, especially when updating overtime-related settings, because even small mistakes can affect future payroll processing. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the overtime settings. Gusto will then store your changes and use the updated compensation setup going forward. And that's all it takes to set up overtime rules in Gusto. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to review employee compensation settings periodically to make sure they stay aligned with current job roles and pay policies. Thanks for watching.